Hello everyone, welcome to this one. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel once again. Today we are going to look at how to use specific cell referencing, that is the relative cell referencing, the mixed cell referencing, and then the absolute cell referencing. So today we are going to look at how to perform some mathematical operation, that is maybe multiplying one cell by the other. So we are going to use both the relative and then the absolute to obtain our numbers by generating them through the column. Okay, so let's quickly dive into it. So first one, we want to perform a multiplication operation here. So let's say equal to, let's say we're going to multiply the column C by the column D. Okay, so this one is our C2 asterisk asterisk D2. Okay, we are multiplying this one. So after multiplying this one, our result was what? 4. So we want to get what we want to do is that we want to multiply the whole of this column by this cell. So we multiply this one by this one by this one by this, in that order. So let's see the relative cell referencing. So in that order, what we're going to do is that we're going to click here and then we drag the last cell here. Okay. Oops, this one is giving us what? 0. Why is that one happening? Because relative means is that it is going to multiply adjacent cell by the other. So this one, what is doing that? It is multiplying this one by this one by that one by that. Okay. So when we look here, you can see that this one is what? Cell C3 by what? Cell D3. But when you look at D3, it is having a data entry of 3, but the D3 is not having any data entry. That is a non-data entry, or the data entry in other words is what? 0. So what it means that it's going to what? Return what? 0. Okay. It is not going to be able to return the expected value that we want. But let's look at the absolute cell referencing. This is what we're going to use to address the shortcoming of the relative. So this one, what we're going to use is that we're going to use dollar sign to make the reference an active one, which is going to be used to multiply all the columns of that one. So this is how we are going to do that one. Equal to the same thing. We multiply the C C2 by the D2 by the D2. By this one, by the D2, we are going to we are going to find absolute of that one. So this one, what it means that we are telling the Excel file that it should use this one as a fixed reference and then multiply the column by that one. So we hit our enter. Let's drag and see what you obtain. Okay, so you see it has been able to multiply each data entry in this column by the two. So that is how the average cell referencing work. Let's look at the mix. So the mix, what is going to do, or the advantage of the mix over the absolute is that the mix can be used to perform operation in the rows and then in the column. So this one can be used for only rows. Okay, this one is for only rows, but the mix it can be used for both row and what column. It can give value for both rows and what column. So this is how the mix is also done. We missed it. We have equal to, let's say this one. Okay, we put the dollar sign in front of the cell name as there is this one, and then we put the dollar sign in front of the two as well. So we have missed it. Okay, and then this one was also going to give us, let's see the output here. Okay, so the same thing. Okay, so that's how it is done. Alright, so let's look at how to also use the absolute cell referencing and the relative to perform this calculations here. So here we have daily sales target, monthly sales target, and then daily sales target reduction, new daily sales target. So this is our daily sales target reduction percent. So this is the 5%. It means that our daily sales has been reduced by a factor of 0.05, or a percentage of what? 5. So we are going to use the relative or the absolute cell referencing to do our calculation. So the first one, let's bring our equal to here. So finding 5% of this one. will be the reduction amount in the sales money. So this one, we bring this one here, then we multiply, okay, by this cell. But we have to what? Find the absolute, or we reference that cell to tell the file that it is going to what? Use that reference cell to multiply the entire column. Okay, so we bring our dollar sign in front of the two. When we hit, it returns. Okay, so it means that it has been able to find 5% of what the first one. So we just have to drag to the last cell that we want here. Then it gives us the value. Okay, so let's look at the new daily sales target. So the new daily sales target is the amount left after deducting or finding 5% of what the daily sales target. So that one will be equal to this one. Okay, daily sales times 0.95, because when you deduct 5 from 100, you are going to get what? 95, or 5% from 100% is what? 95%. The 95% is the same as 0.59. So we hit our enter. So it's going to what? Return that one. So this one, we can just use the relative cell referencing, and then we drag to the last one, and then it also will give us what's the value. So let's look at the monthly. So the monthly is the same thing. So this one, so we have our equal to, then we come here, then we multiply it by this cell. Sorry, this cell, by that what? Uh, Find absolute of that cell, and then we hit our enter. So that one is drag to the last cell. Okay, and then the new monthly sales target will be this one. Let's deduct the 22% from 100%, and then you're going to get your value, which is 0.78. Then hit our enter, then drag to the last one to perform that one. Good. So you have been able to perform this one using the relative and then the absolute cell reference. Alright, so let's look at how to also use this function to perform specific tasks in the file or Excel file environment. We are going to look at the concatenate, the trim, the length, the upper, lower, and then the buffer. So first one, let's look at the concatenate. So for the concatenate, what it's going to do is that it's going to add a string data type, or a data type that is having letters or characters as its entry. So first, let's look at how to perform this. We have to use concat. So concat will come. Then which cells are you concatenating? So we have the region name and then the country. So we bring our comma, then we come to the country, that is the C2, then we close it. You can see that it has been able to concatenate or add it. So it has added it, right? So we drag to the last one to perform the same thing. So Ghana, East Ghana, South Kenya, North Egypt. So the trim, what the trim is going to do is that the trim is going to delete double spacing and then maintain only a single space. So when we look at the trim, like trim, so it's what the air software is doing, that removes all space from a test string except for a single space between all squares. Okay, so for now, let's hold that one and look at the length. So the length, what it's going to do is that it returns the number count of individual letters in the range. So let's equal to length. So length. So let's look at length of country or region. So let's look at the length of what? The countries. First one is the Nigeria, so C2. So we just drag to the last one to perform to get all the length of the entire data input from that. So the rest are far 5. Okay, so let's look at the upper. So upper is only going to change the data entry into what capital what letters. So let's see upper. So upper, let's look at this one, Nigeria. Okay, or the cell C2. Then we hit our enter. See, it has capitalized that letter. Okay, it has capitalized that letter. So let's see. Sorry, upper has capitalized that letter. Nigeria. Then we drive to that one. So it will capitalize all of them. So the lower will just, I mean, find the lowercase letters. So lowercase letters. see it as, I mean, 10 letters in lowercase. That's 10 letters into lowercase, right? All of them into lower. So the profile will just capitalize the first letter, and then the remaining ones will be lower. Okay, so we go to proper. Proper, just capitalize the first one, and then the remaining one will be small. You see, just capitalize the first letter, and the remaining ones are small letters. Okay, so that's how the proper, the lower, upper, length, and the concatenate also work. Our last class is how to use the find and replace, or find and replace to, I mean, make changes in our data set. So to use find and replace, you come here, find and select. Okay, then hit on find. So find here, what you're going to do is that you're going to find a specific data entry from our data set. So let's see, this one is mouse. Then we hit on find. Quickly, it comes to our data set and select the cell where the mouse is found. And then here we come to what? Replace. So replacing, let's replace the mouse with what? Joystick. You go to next. When you hit next, it is going to check that column whether there is more than one mouse in there. If there is only one, it remains what one. So now all you have to do is just what hit on it quickly. It replaces what the mouse with what joystick. So that's how find and replace also works.